It's only been a week since I last cleaned here. Time for some action. Ready, steady, go!
Oh, no, not this way.
I'm a guru of cleaning, see? Awesome. Huh? Oh, poor flower. How can I help you? I know.
I need a square, come on.
What's this green thingy? Huh? Get out of my home!
I know that I can do it. One more block and I'll... Haha, level done.
Whatever. Oh, no problem. I love a good challenge. Ta-da! That's how talented I am. Ha! It's just perfect. And I would walk 500
I'll get you.
Well, isn't it too much?
I'm about to win again.
Piro!
Huh? What's wrong? No!
At least some help. Piro, aren't you a little too comfortable?
It's okay, it's okay.
He's got a lot of nerve. Almost done. Just a few final touches.
You're welcome.
What? Arrgh! You're really testing my patience.
Ouch!
But I know what to do. Go play outside, darling.
Whoa!
Have a good time. I'll find myself. Huh? Oh no! Uh-oh. Aha! Here we go. As good as new. Wow, works like magic.
I know I can do it. One more.
Is he kidding? Good thing I bought this dirt eraser. Totally worth the money. Hehe.
My fave show's on.
Hey, get ready for some magic! Voila! Hunger isn't a problem for me. Oh, no.
I wish I could do the same. Oh. Huh? Ta-da!
Someone's just made a wish in here. Oh, and this wish is so cute.
Whoa!
Enjoy your abilities, but be careful.
Thanks.
See? Easy. Oh, give it back, you.
Yummy.
Hey, you.
Oh no. Whoa! I'm late.
Late again. Such a disrespect.
Ouch! Uh-oh. Brekkie. Oh no. Oops. What a fail. Holy tomatoes, I'm so late. I know how I can save some time. Yoo-hoo! Oops.
What the?
Sorry.
No way! Get out of my car!
Ouch! Oh, go! Oh, what a day. I see it's ruined, and I'm terribly late.
I will not stand for this attitude.
Uh-oh, I'm a gunner. Whoa! This will be a great replacement. Problem solved, ha! Uh-oh.
You pay for ruining my car.
Oh no. Run, Piro. Save your own life.
I'll show you.
Whoa! Ew.
Incredible.
I'll pour you some water, boss. It'll calm you down. Here you... Huh?
What?
Hi.
It's all magic. Let me take this.
Huh?
That one too. There, that's better. Ah, why don't I have a snack? I feel like a kid in a candy store. Oh, yummy. No, this can't be true. I'm still hungry. Why should I have to suffer? Oh, the agony of choice. Oh. Aha! How can I stop now? Right, I can't. Oh. It's gonna be epic. Whoa!
So, what's your plan? Piro, are you nuts? Give it back. Don't you dare to go close to the fridge. You better look at your huge belly. Don't forget about our arrangement. That's it.
But Liza...
Don't Liza me. It's locked and you won't be able to unlock it. There's no use looking for the key.
Why?
I'm taking it with me. Be a good boy. I'm watching you.
This day could have been very different. Ouch! Oh no. Uh-oh.
Hungry.
Whoa! Calm down, please. But it's locked.
If you don't feed me, I'll eat you.
No, if only I could, no? Haha, I know! Where is it? Found it! What is this chain made of?
That's enough. I warned you.
Food, food, food. I will cook my own food. Plate, knife. Yes, I need this. Food, good. Cooking is hard work. But I'm good at all. Aha! Yummy! It's gonna be better than a restaurant. Gonna be delicious. Perfect. Beautiful. And the smell. I'll just mix it all together. Add some sweet and sour sauce. And the shrimp. What a gifted sushi maker I am. Food detected. I need some lettuce. Good thing it's fresh. Watch me. Yeah! Ha! That's enough for my dish. I love it when there is a lot of filling. Ta-da! It's gonna be feast. Liza will be so happy. I even make a cake. Oh, what a lovely shape. The more I press, the better it absorbs the buttercream. One layer isn't enough. That's it. Because why not? What kind of cake is it without candles? Lovely. What else can I cook? Aha! Burgers? Ice cream? Pasta! That's what I call a job well done. But wait! Muffins! Cherry muffins! Oh, edible rhinestones! Perfect for decoration. And a touch of red. Yummy! I worked hard. Now I can get my reward. Oh.
Honey, I'm... Ah! What's happened here?
Huh?
Piro, how dare you ruin our home!
Hey!